I'll do the start part and then we'll go to the questions फटाफट. Okay?
All right.
Let's do this.
As you can see, we've all come to Goa.
कैसे रे मौसे?
Hey, सुसेगार. सब कुछ कलरफुल है. ऐसा लग रहा है कि मतलब वो
तो Thanksgiving तो we have to be thankful, right? We are very on
मेरा-
point.
मेरा Thanksgiving में आती है.
तेरा
Why
Thanksgiving
तू Republican
है।
Party है क्या?
Yes.
Hello everyone and welcome to a new episode. Today we are doing episode 10 and our last episode
For the
season.
for the season.
For the season.
Next season will come, no?
Maybe for the season, maybe for the year, maybe for we'll see.
Foreseeable future.
Foreseeable future. I have Nirmal and Lynette with me. Annette again is
Behind
in
the
shadow.
camera,
in her corner
Yes.
and not looking at us, hiding from the camera. So today's topic is all about Thanksgiving. In spite of coming here, we learned a little about Thanksgiving, but we never knew about the history, what it represents. So we want to put across what it means to the people here and how it is similar to some festivals in India, where it's all about family and gathering and being thankful to each other. So we're going to talk a lot about it. So before we go ahead, I'll just let you all know that we did a very quick quiz about the history of Thanksgiving before we started the podcast. But I will be putting it at the end of the show. So let's start first with Lynette telling us about the history. Tell us.
About the history of what I read about Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
So when the pilgrims came to US and they were fighting with the native Indians, basically they were kind of ran out of their supplies, and
What
some
were pilgrims?
pilgrims are the English people who came to
The
and
colonial
discovered.
hunters.
Yeah, and they discovered America as a land for the first time.
British.
Yeah, they came
Yeah,
from British.
English people.
English people.
So anyway, so they were running out of their supplies. So some of the natives taught them. So when they came, natives were already fighting amongst themselves because they were like fighting for land or whatever. So some of the natives taught them how to grow vegetables and fruits on the land, and that Thanksgiving is the festival of the first harvest of what they grew, and that is Thanksgiving.
मैंने सेम मतलब सिमिलर है लेकिन आई थिंक देयर इज समथिंग एल्स दैट आई हैव आल्सो रेड इज कि दे किल द नेटिव्स अराउंड 700 ऑफ देम एंड समटाइम्स पीपल से दैट थैंक्सगिविंग हार्वेस्ट का है बट prior to that there was a lot of killing that happened, so ethically people should not be celebrating Thanksgiving because ideally like they celebrated because of the killing.
Somebody died.
700 people died and it is less about the harvest and more about the killings that they were celebrating. तो वैसा मैंने पढ़ा.
और मैंने एक और स्टोरी सुना था अबाउट द टर्कीज दैट दे ईट ड्यूरिंग थैंक्सगिविंग. सो ये जो नेटिव फाइटर्स या जो अमेरिकन इंग्लिश फाइटर्स थे, जो सोल्जर्स थे, सो दे फॉट द वॉर, दे फॉट एंड देन व्हेन दे वर काइंड ऑफ कमिंग बैक होम फ्रॉम द वॉर एंड दे वर सो हंग्री for some land, I don't know where exactly, but they were coming back to their motherland and they were like so hungry, they were almost dying of hunger, and then suddenly they spot turkeys like in a field, and then they just like run to the thing and they like cook the turkeys and they ate, and that was like a feast.
लेकिन that was not why like they chose Turkey. Turkey came later on.
Yeah, what is the history of Turkey?
Yeah.
Even I've read a lot of conflicting things. Some people said that they are American, some North American. Some people said they are from Africa. I don't know and why they named turkeys.
So this is also one thing ki when those English people, when the pilgrims saw the birds for the first time, it looks similar to a bird that is found in Africa. Although
Achha.
Turkey is a little bigger and Africa made it a little smaller one, but they named it Turkey after that. That's what I read.
But why Africa? Like Turkey is in Europe,
Yeah,
right?
it's a country, right? Who knows who gave them
So
that?
they just happened to bump into Turkey. They ate it and then they said, "अरे चलो यही खाते हैं Thanksgiving में."
Thanksgiving पे ये खाते हैं, ऐसे मैंने सुना है. कुछ लोग बोलते हैं कि टर्कीज का तो और कुछ काम है नहीं. Turkeys are only to eat basically because they don't serve any.
Just like chickens and all that.
नहीं, चिकन तो काफी सारे लोग खाते हैं ना.
अंडे भी होते हैं ना चिकन में. Turkeys don't give eggs.
Yeah, I don't think turkeys lay eggs.
Then how do they reproduce?
God knows.
इतना तुमने रिसर्च किया, इतना पता नहीं कि टर्की कहाँ से निकलता
ये
है.
डिस्कवरी चैनल और नेशनल ज्योग्राफी चैनल का रिसर्च थोड़ी है, थैंक्सगिविंग का रिसर्च है.
तो एनीवेज यहाँ पे आए तो फर्स्ट टाइम थैंक्सगिविंग सुना. मैंने सोचा अरे क्या मस्त हॉलिडे होगा एंड लाइक द मेन थिंग वाज द सेल्स आफ्टर एवरीबडी हैड टोल्ड कि
ब्लैक फ्राइडे
वो ब्लैक फ्राइडे पे तुम्हें
सस्ता।
बहुत अच्छे सस्ते कपड़े मिलेंगे, जैकेट्स मिलेंगे, सब शूज मिलेंगे, तो हम तो मेनली उसी
Yeah,
का
the
वेट
first
कर
thing
रहे
we
थे।
came out thinking, we are not looking forward to the festival, we are looking forward to all the shopping and deals.
ब्लैक फ्राइडे इज द
Scam.
बिगेस्ट मार्केटिंग स्कैम इन अमेरिका।
या
जो कपड़े के बारे में ये लोग बात करते हैं, अगर इतना सस्ता वो लोग दे सकते हैं, इमेजिन कि मतलब वो पूरे साल में भी वो दे सकते हैं।
हाँ हाँ
दिस इज जस्ट कि मतलब जो भी उनका स्टॉक है अभी फाइनली उनको डंप करना है।
Like people will save up money and spend it all on that time.
एंड
हाँ।
एंड आल्सो फनी थिंग इज कि ब्लैक फ्राइडे के बाद ना ऐसा लगेगा कि अरे नहीं नहीं, ये ब्लैक फ्राइडे में यू विल मिस आउट। पहले अपने को ऐसा लगता था, इसलिए मैं भी गया था, लाइन में खड़ा रहा था, बट ब्लैक फ्राइडे के बाद सैटरडे भी रहता है, संडे भी रहता है, और
और
फिर
मंडे
साइबर मंडे भी रहता
मंडे
है।
भी आता है।
तो which means that
Or sometimes there are better deals 1 week before Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving,
it is
हाँ।
all a
Start,
hype that
yeah.
they are creating
Only
so
a
that
hype.
उनका वो
That is
सब
true.
बिक्री हो जाए।
That is
It's
true.
the biggest marketing scam. मैं इंडिया जाता था ना एवरी टाइम दिसंबर के टाइम फ्रेम में, तो मैं हमेशा वही माइंडसेट कि अरे जितना मिल सकता है गिफ्ट्स और वो सब थैंक्सगिविंग में से ले सकते हैं।
हाँ हाँ हाँ
दैट टाइम आई रिमेंबर 2011 की बात है या 2010 2011 मैं नॉन स्टॉप 11 बजे गया था इन द नाइट, क्योंकि वो 12 बजे खुलता है, एंड टिल 2 PM नेक्स्ट डे।
Oh my God, you were
So
shopping.
14 hours I was shopping.
Wow.
तो बाद में फाइनली माय फ्रेंड एक्चुअली वाज वेरी टायर्ड।
अरे अभी इंडिया में सबको पता है थैंक्सगिविंग के बारे में only because of all the sales. Like people, a lot of people go from US to India around December time and all ना. So their families and all already know कि थैंक्सगिविंग में अच्छा सेल होता है, तो वो लोग पहले अपना लिस्ट भेज देते रहेंगे कि हमें ये चाहिए करके
अभी
थैंक्सगिविंग
मेरे को
में
ऐसे
तुम ले
What
लो।
request
can you do for like 12 hours
हाँ,
straight?
he's crazy.
नो क्योंकि
Did you
मेरे
take a
को
nap on the floor or something? I would have done that.
तो सूटकेस लेके गया था, कुछ लोग सूटकेस लेके जाते
Definitely
हैं ना
सूटकेस लेके
थैंक्सगिविंग
गया।
शॉपिंग के
मैं
लिए।
सूटकेस तो नहीं लेके गया था, लेकिन मेरा ऐसा था कि गाड़ी बाजू में ही पार्क है, तो आइडिया वाज थोड़ा
You can
सामान
keep
ज्यादा
your
रहेगा
stuff
तो मैं डंप करके आऊंगा, तो
हाँ।
2-3 राउंड्स मारे। प्लस द अदर चैलेंज वाज दैट क्योंकि आई हैड स्टार्टेड अर्निंग दैट टाइम और मेरे को इंडिया लेके जाना था गिफ्ट, आई हैड टू बाय सम टीवीज एंड ऑल, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स बोलते हैं सस्ता है।
टीवीज
टीवी एंड
अपने लिए
मैंने
होगा।
एक्सबॉक्स भी लिया था तभी, और तभी ऐसा था कि एक जगह पे गया और वहां पे पता चला कि ये डील है, एंड देन यू एंड अप बाइंग।
Oh, Nirmal would go here and there and keep
तो
comparing.
वो उसके लिए फिर बाद में आई हैड टू टेक अ जजमेंट कॉल कि
I
कहां पे मेरे
understand
को,
why he was there for 12 hours.
इसलिए मेरा 14 घंटा उसमें निकल गया।
You've seen Diwali by being in India and you've seen Thanksgiving by being here. How do you compare both the festivals? Like, why is Thanksgiving better than Diwali?
I wouldn't put it that
Look
way.
at the little look.
No,
I
I'm
wouldn't
No, I'm
put it
just,
that
I'm
way.
just joking.
No, I think Diwali. I feel Diwali is more like you feel कि कुछ हो रहा है.
The vibe.
But Thanksgiving में कुछ इतना प्राइवेट होता है ना कि तुम्हें स्ट्रीट्स पे इतना कुछ नहीं दिखेगा. It is
घर
like
के अंदर.
people are doing privately in their own homes. Whereas Diwali में you see outside also the same, the lights.
But
people
यहाँ पे भी
talking,
Thanksgiving
people-
parade और वो सब होता है.
सिर्फ परेड तो न्यूयॉर्क का है ना, एंड हम लोग बॉस्टन में थे, देयर वाज नो परेड देयर और एनीथिंग. परेड इज ओनली फॉर न्यूयॉर्क एंड दैट इज ओनली फॉर द चिल्ड्रन, मे बी लाइक 2-3 hours they do that, but otherwise there is no शोर शराबा on the streets.
दिवाली ऑल्सो बहुत एक्सटेंडेड फेस्टिवल है। मतलब दिवाली का जैसे थैंक्सगिविंग खाली थर्सडे फ्राइडे रहता है, आई नो दैट कुछ लोग पूरा छुट्टी ले लेते हैं,
हाँ.
दैट इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग,
नहीं, डे तो सिर्फ थर्सडे ही है, फ्राइडे तो ब्लैक फ्राइडे आ
ब्लैक फ्राइडे। लेकिन दिवाली का जो है वो लाइक बाय द टाइम इट लीड्स टू दिवाली, दशहरा के बाद देन देयर इज धनतेरस, देयर इज भाऊ बीज, लाइक दो तीन चीज निकलते हैं, फिर बाद में पीपल टेंड टू, तूने जैसे बोला शॉपिंग करते हैं, ये डील्स का और वो सब तो इंडिया में बहुत पहले से था, और इनफैक्ट पीपल बाय लॉट ऑफ गोल्ड ड्यूरिंग दिवाली।
But Diwali का तो yeah they do.
वो है gold
But Diwali is not about the festival. The Diwali starts like 10 days before. Like for
Yeah.
us as kids growing up,
oh
we used to
because
wait
we
कि
had
who
holidays.
will burst the first cracker.
हाँ, because we had holidays.
Because वो पहला जब किसी ने फोड़ा cracker, then our Diwali starts like
Everybody starts
properly.
roasting.
And you start with थोड़ा छोटे वो
और अभी
crackers.
तो 3 हफ्ते की छुट्टी भी होती थी ना दिवाली के लिए.
अभी भी मिलती है लोगों को
हाँ,
छुट्टी।
बच्चों को मिलती है ना छुट्टी.
अभी नाउ द गुड थिंग अबाउट दिवाली इज कि पीपल हैव गॉन मोर ग्रीन, तो मतलब लोग जो फेस्टिवल और जो शॉपिंग और वो है उस पे फोकस करते हैं, और क्रैकर्स और वो सब इतना लोग
थोड़ा
बर्थडे में
debate-
तूने दिल्ली का
debatable है,
देखा क्या?
हाँ।
दिल्ली में बैन था, फिर भी लोगों ने बर्स्ट किया. नेक्स्ट डे द पोल्यूशन लेवल इज हाई.
अभी तो because of media they are taking one side and hyping it up कि how can they tell us, how can they? It's all
Yeah.
political now.
बट फिर भी इफ यू कंपेयर अपने time पे,
Definitely, yeah.
30 years ago और 20 years ago, और अभी अगर तू बोलेगी a lot of us only people like us,
हाँ, बोल.
they don't want to burst crackers and all because फालतू का नॉइज पोल्यूशन होता
और
है,
फिर पोल्यूशन भी कितना होता है.
Air pollution, noise.
कचरा भी इतना हो जाता है। सो
Yeah, we have grown up little bit. We have seen the previous part and the new part, so we can make decisions and we can teach our kids and all that. Let's go to the next part where Lynette was giving us a lot of lectures about Thanksgiving in different countries. What all do you know about what all countries?
So एक तो Canada has their own Thanksgiving.
You know
Then
about this?
Liberia has Thanksgiving.
लाइबेरिया चेक करना पड़ेगा लेकिन
लाइबेरिया
अपना
मैंने अब भी लाइनी को सीखा है.
हाँ, Liberia has Thanksgiving. Saint Lucia has
हाँ सेंट लूसिया
Thanksgiving.
मैंने पढ़ा
And one of the
Grenada.
Caribbean countries,
Grenada.
Grenada
चार
also
सब
has.
कुछ इधर ही है नॉर्थ अमेरिका में ही है
No, Liberia we just learned.
It's
We
an
read about it. So every time Twitter पे ना whenever I see people tweeting and all, गलती से instead of US का flag they put Liberia का flag. And I never paid attention because it was a country in Africa. Then today we are reading about it. पता चला Liberia is a country in Africa that was kind of gifted by the Americans.
अच्छा
तो कुछ लोगों को उन्होंने वापस भेज दिया और
इसलिए
वहाँ
वो
पे
लोग
एक कंट्री
फिर
दे दिया
वहाँ पे
उन्होंने.
चालू
जब
कर
भी वो
दिया था
slaves
इसको.
free हो
हाँ,
गए ना,
हाँ.
some of them
Went
went
back to
and
East
found their
Africa.
own
और तब
country.
तक थैंक्सगिविंग यहाँ चालू हो गया था so they started
हाँ,
there.
they
हाँ,
started the
हाँ,
whole
तो same
tradition
tradition
there.
and they used the same American flag, but the only thing is instead of 50 states,
They
they
have
have only one star.
which is for Liberia.
Yeah, which is for
Yeah.
Liberia, and so that is very fascinating that we.
Yeah,
figured
we
out.
learned today. We
Yeah,
also
very
didn't
nice.
know about it. Something new.
Interesting.
Canada, do you know anything about Thanksgiving? Canada?
Canada also, they celebrate the history.
Forget, nobody cares about Canada. Let's move on.
We don't care about
Yeah.
Canada. Now when we learn more, it's not as great. But for last maybe 5-6 years, I've been always wanting like to shop during Thanksgiving. I make my list like 1 week before कि मुझे ये कपड़े लेने हैं, कोई जैकेट लेना है, कुछ भी.
खाली पॉडकास्ट के लिए बोल रही हूँ
नहीं, I swear हमेशा
Last
Thanksgiving में shopping.
second ना कि ये रायन देख ना मेरे को ऑनलाइन दिख रहा है खरीदूं क्या मैं.
हाँ, मैं हमेशा पर मुझे like I have to buy something. I have to buy. Although I know maybe the deals might be better all the year round.
Shopping
You might
addict है
get
ये.
those deals, but I always
बट तेरा
Nice.
डील्स में फिर बाद में तू तो मतलब ऐसा एक साथ बल्क में नाइकी का वो जो है ना तुम्हारा जिम का वेयर वही बाय कर लेगी ना
नहीं.
What-
पहले कहाँ, अभी रिसेंटली में वर्कआउट करने लगी. पहले नहीं करती
तो
ना.
5
पहले
साल पहले क्या
टॉप्स ले लो, स्वेटर्स ले लो, जैकेट ले लो.
Why the name Black Friday? So history में जैसे one of the things is कि जब Thanksgiving के जो next day है, that was considered to be सबसे ज़्यादा foot traffic और car traffic होता था because people when the family would get together, they would celebrate on Thanksgiving. And the next day they would all go to shop for Christmas.
Oh.
So there would be so many people on the streets and in the stores that it was
Ah.
maniacal. So no maniacal. Not
चले
maniacal.
वो इंडस्ट्रियल जैसा कट कर देंगे
Maniacal.
It was maniacal. So
इट वाज क्रेजी
it was crazy.
It was
Sorry, It was crazy. So that's why they call it Black Friday. That's what it says. So on that day it starts, and that's why the deals का वो system हो गया over
Because
there.
people are shopping for Christmas
Yeah.
and to give gifts
Yeah,
to
because
others.
और क्यों buy करेंगे Black Friday पे? Like,
हाँ,
we will buy because we have to go back to India and gift it.
हाँ, give
But
it.
people here, why they buy? Because
हाँ,
they gift
want to
each
give
other
to
during
their
Christmas.
family. Yeah.
So
बट आई स्टिल डोंट यू नो नाम ब्लैक फ्राइडे क्यों रखा जस्ट बिकॉज़ देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ फुट मूवमेंट एंड कार मूवमेंट
that was one of the this thing. One more was what was it about? It was about something somebody had died or something.
Oh,
नाम ही ऐसा है मतलब मनूस ब्लैक फ्राइडे है कि
Black
किसी को
Friday.
ऐसा अच्छा लगता ही नहीं है तुम फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करो
But when just think about it, नाम Black Friday है. But when Americans think about it, it's something like
happy.
completely
अरे
opposite.
बाप रे बाप, Black
हाँ,
Friday
हाँ,
आ गया.
कि इतना इतना
ब्लैक
shopping.
फ्राइडे डील्स
हाँ,
हाँ,
Black Friday deals है.
deals है.
Cyber Monday.
आई थिंक the word was taken probably like good friday was already taken ये लोग ने नया निकाल के black
कुछ
friday
भी
नहीं. Okay, coming to the last part of this episode, at least for me, learning about Thanksgiving, like watching them on TV in India, I learned more about it than actually coming here and seeing people, because as we discussed before कि वो लोग सब कुछ घर में ही करते हैं. They celebrate everything inside. Okay, tell me, like Nirmal has not watched any TV in India. तूने क्या देखा है, like how any memories of?
मैंने वो फ्रेंड्स यहाँ पे आके देखा, बट एनीवेज फ्रेंड्स में उन्होंने पूरा थैंक्सगिविंग का
हो गया
कल्चर
ना अभी
बताया.
शादी हो गया तेरा कांट हेल्प इट तेरे को पता था इंडिया में थैंक्सगिविंग क्या बिफोर
तुझे मैं एक बात बोलूं निर्मल, फ्रेंड्स टाइप वाले सीरीज जो है ओनली पाव लोग नहीं देखते, बाकी लोग भी देखते
अच्छा
हैं.
फ्रेंड्स तुम लोग ने देखा था मैं तो फ्रेंड्स और वो सब में नहीं
मैंने भी नहीं देखा था, तो मैं पाव के मैंने भी नहीं देखा था, बट फिर भी
तो तेरे को पता नहीं था ना
Why they not using that word now? I can't understand.
थैंक्सगिविंग
No, the P word.
अच्छा पाव
हाँ.
ओके
तो शुरू तो तूने ही किया था कि
बट
पाव
बहुत
लोग
सारे
को पता
नॉन
है.
कैथलिक
हाँ,
लोग भी
पाव.
देखते हैं.
अरे नॉन कैथलिक पता है देखते हैं फ्रेंड्स का कॉन्सेप्ट पता था लेकिन थैंक्सगिविंग क्यों होता है वो मेरे को इधर
Oh,
आके पता
you thought because Catholic people, because we are Catholic, we should know about Thanksgiving, but
हाँ.
it is not an Indian holiday. It is
आई नो फिर भी
फ्रेंड्स में उन्होंने पूरा थैंक्सगिविंग का वो कल्चर बताया है ना, उसमें कैसे वो कुक करती है फॉर ऑल हर फ्रेंड्स एंड मेक टर्की
वो
एंड
टर्की उसके सिर पर अटक जाता है जो
2-3 जोक्स है ना उसमें. वो भी फनी था. हाँ, एक तो वो वाला है एक वो है जो उसको मोनिका को नहीं करना होता है थैंक्सगिविंग बट ऑल द फ्रेंड्स फोर्स हर टू डू
और एंड
थैंक्सगिविंग
में आते नहीं है, कुछ ऐसा है ना?
हाँ एंड में दे गो एंड डू देयर ओन थिंग्स वन वांट्स टू वॉच अ मैच वन टेक्स and then end में they all come and she locks the door
Oh, हाँ.
because remember Chandler is helping her make the sauce. He only makes the sauce
And he
everything.
keeps bragging. It reminds me of someone. हाँ.
That's true. He only makes the sauce and like अरे तुम लोग मेरा सॉस टेस्ट करना ये वो
मेरे पास
And
बहुत
then-
सारी ऐसी वैरायटी आइटम्स है, इफ यू पॉइंटेड एट मी, मैं सॉस के अलावा बहुत सारा बताता हूँ items।
अब भी
क्या?
पापड़ बनाया बस, और कुछ नहीं
पापड़
किया.
बना तूने देखते हैं ये थैंक्सगिविंग तो क्या बनाता है
Any movies are there Thanksgiving based that you
Let
can
me
remember?
think,
मुझे तो अभी
हाँ.
कुछ भी
No
याद नहीं आ
movies.
रहा.
मुझे
जो
मुझे
भी-
फ्रेंड्स एकदम डिस्टिंक्टली याद है क्योंकि उन्होंने
हाँ, बट हम
बहुत
लोग
बार
फ्रेंड्स का
Thanksgiving
रिव्यू नहीं कर रहे हैं ना यहाँ पे, हो गया।
मूवीज
कम से
मुझे
कम
याद नहीं
फ्रेंड्स
है
के बारे में 100-200 बार बोला रहेगा, मैंने देखा ही नहीं।
Nirmal have not watched Friends at all.
You have not watched Friends?
I
I've
watched
watched
some episodes,
He
but
did
यहाँ पे
not
आके-
watched even like once all the episodes. So
नहीं, हाँ, once कभी नहीं।
थैंक्सगिविंग बोलिए यहाँ पे कौन से इसमें बताया कौन से मूवीज में है थैंक्सगिविंग हॉलिडे
बहुत सारे मूवीज में ऐसा दिखाते हैं क्रिसमस और थैंक्सगिविंग को कंबाइन
Christmas बहुत movie है.
Christmas
but
बहुत.
Thanksgiving I can't. मेरे को भी
There is
याद
no
नहीं.
specific movie that has been made on Thanksgiving. तो
देयर मस्ट बी आई एम श्योर इट्स नॉट
Thanksgiving के अगर मूवीज बनाए रहेंगे ना, तो वो मूवी
पीपल
बनाए
कैन
रहेंगे
कमेंट बिलो
जो family-
Yeah, please let us know. We are blanking out. We didn't do enough research. The two
Thanksgiving-
idiots
But-
with me have not done any
no,
research
no,
on
no,
this
I
topic.
can, but I
I
can
had pointed
speculate.
out exactly movies and.
But there are no, I research, there are no specific movies. If there are any, will be related to like people and the families trying to meet and then discussing about each other's breakup stories and all. So maybe शायद वो वाले
who would discuss breakup stories
तो Thanksgiving पे वो discussion होता है, तो ऐसा कोई मूवी रहेगा?
of course everybody needs to have a breakup and discuss that on Thanksgiving
Nirmal's
Thanksgiving.
aren't having any life he wants to live.
अरे
Nirmal is a
breakup
better
करो.
and people come and tell their breakup stories and he'll just give them advice.
I did my research and people said that's one of the things they don't like about Thanksgiving.
For this episode, Nirmal and Lynette were supposed to do a lot of research and I've handed everything to them. So I want to see how they did on it. I've just prepared a few basic questions about Thanksgiving. So whoever knows the answer will raise their hand and say the word Mitro.
Mitro.
So whoever says that will get a chance to answer. Okay, the first question. Where is the Macy's Thanksgiving parade held?
Mitro. Mitro. 34th Street Herald Square. In
Wrong.
New York. In New York.
Okay, I'll give it to New York City is the
Wrong
answer.
बोला लेकिन।
Don't be over smart. Don't be over
34th
smart.
Street बोला तो
हाँ.
मेरे को पास करना चाहिए ना?
It starts from Central Park.
हाँ, and comes to 34th Street in
But-
New York City.
New York City is right.
New York City.
1 point for Lynette. In what year was the first Thanksgiving celebrated?
Mitro. 1739.
Wrong.
हाँ, मैं बोल रहा हूँ 1621।
Exact. It's the exact. And Nirmal gets 2 points for that.
wow.
For doing good research and remembering the answer.
अभी भी पढ़ा उसने इसके लिए मैं सुन पढ़ा
इसमें देखा होगा. You never know जब मैं दिखा रहा था. 2 points. Lynette, please remember
जली
their
जली
scores. Okay. Third question. Which American president declared Thanksgiving a national holiday in November?
मित्रो जॉर्ज अपना सॉरी लिंकन
Abraham Lincoln is
Lincoln.
correct. 1 point for Nirmal. And here there is paleo happening.
मेरे को लग रहा है दूसरा तो और 2-3 कपड़ा लेके आया, ये जल के खराब हो जाएगा।
Why did he get 2 points in the previous one?
Because exact he said. He didn't say 1600s. He said exact 1621. Which animal does the president traditionally pardon?
मित्रो
हाँ,
Turkey.
पूरा नहीं रॉन्ग है, लेकिन
Turkey,
पूरा क्वेश्चन
turkey
तो पूछने दे उसको।
Correct answer. 1 point for Lynette. 2 and 3. Who are the English settlers who sailed from Europe to North America on the Mayflower?
मित्रो
Nirmal first.
पिलग्रिम्स।
Correct
ए
answer.
मैंने तभी बोला था पिलग्रिम्स
1 point.
तूने बोला था सर, उससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है? मैंने रिसर्च किया।
ठीक है कोई नहीं
4
अरे नया कपड़ा लेके आओ।
4 and 2. इसमें 4 options है. Okay, if you know the answer, you have to just tell Mitro that time. Okay, which of these foods is not thought to have been part of the first Thanksgiving? Deer, shellfish, pumpkin pie, cranberries.
मित्रो pumpkin pie।
And that is the correct answer. Pumpkin pie is correct. So Nirmal is smoking it today on the last quiz.
What an educated
You
guess।
deserve it. love it. Good.
But there are
This was
few
an educated
questions.
guess.
Lynette can come back and screw him back.
बस ना खत्म करना अभी हो गया अभी.
Who was the first president to pardon a turkey? The first president ever to pardon a turkey during Thanksgiving.
Mitro, Abraham Lincoln.
Wrong answer.
Oh.
गवर्नर था कोई.
First president.
पास.
That's it?
इसने
ये जस्ट मेरे भी गलत हो गया.
Okay. The answer is John F. Kennedy.
Oh.
In which month is Thanksgiving celebrated in Canada?
Mitro, October.
Second Monday in October is correct. Lynette is fighting back.
Four.
And Nirmal is shitting his pants. There is a writer and editor called Sarah Josepha Hale. She was very instrumental in convincing President Lincoln to declare Thanksgiving a national holiday. But she's famous for another children's song. What is it?
H-A-Y.
H-A-L-E.
Hale, okay.
But you know, tell me कि उसने कौन सा song लिखा है बच्चों का जो अभी भी popular है and she is very popular because of the song rather than this Thanksgiving fact.
Johnny मित्रों. Johnny yes पापा.
No. Lynette for drawing or it's over.
Humpty Dumpty.
Wrong, and Nirmal is the champion
Oh, wow.
and he has won and she's right.
Oh,
Mary had a
Mary
little
had a
lamb is the
little
answer.
lamb.
I was close
Wow.
there.
What? How were you close?
I mean,
You were Johnny.
and Mary and
So that's the end of our show for today. Season 1 is done. Thank you everybody for watching all our
Thank
videos.
you.
Thank you very much. Thank you for all your messages. And honestly, this takes a lot of our time, so we're taking a short break for the holidays. Thank you, Nirmal. Thank you, Lynette.
And please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe.
yeah. You if you don't want to like and share, it's fine. Subscribe.
No, please like and
Like
share
and
also.
share and comment.
But yeah, do
also.
subscribe because subscribers are less. I know people watch very often, but they are not subscribing. If you don't subscribe, then we will call you and hunt you down and make you subscribe.
And also comment below with the Thanksgiving movies that we forgot.
Yeah, and also comment below with what kind of topics would you like us to talk
Sure,
about for next year.
definitely. And I was kidding about hunting you down. I won't hunt you down. Okay, so that's
might,
the
he
end.
might.
That's the end.
Pilgrims.
He might.
Take care, everyone, and happy Thanksgiving. Goodbye.
Happy
Bye.
Thanksgiving, happy Christmas.
Thanksgiving.